Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are turning simple ingredients into a snack that's crispy, delicious and absolutely perfect for tea time. Bread egg snacks. Quick to make, easy to love. Let's get started. Take 3 slices of bread and 2 boiled eggs. Grate the boiled eggs. Now with the bread, crush them into fresh breadcrumbs. Fresh breadcrumbs give a softer texture compared to store-bought ones. Now add the breadcrumbs into the grated eggs. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoon grated carrot, 1 teaspoon chopped green chilli and 2 tablespoon water. Mix everything well to form a smooth and thick mixture. This recipe is great for using leftover bread and turning it into something exciting. Take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into your favorite snack size, round, oval or even nugget. Now prepare a coating for extra crunch. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves to leftover breadcrumbs for a fresh flavor twist. Dip each shaped piece into beaten egg. Then roll it in the breadcrumb mix to coat evenly. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the bread egg snacks until they turn crispy and golden brown on all sides. You can also air fry or bake this for a lighter version. Just brush with a little oil. And here it is, crispy outside, soft and flavorful inside. Your perfect bread egg snack. Serve it with ketchup, mayo or your favorite dip. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe to Innovin Foods for more quick and creative snacks recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!